use the force to open everything up. Hey guys, what's going on? I've got some really cool things to share about this vehicle. This is actually our 2024 Nissan Rogue, and let's come take a look. Take a look at these seats. Perforated quilted leather, it's power adjustable, it's got the memory seats. So for those to save the arguments, just one press of the button to get that adjusted out. You can actually see we got the Google built-in assistance now with this vehicle, so no worries about, oh, has it got navigation? It's got it built in with your panoramic sunroof, with your different drive modes, and I love this brush, and there's more in the back, guys. Let's take a look. Look at how wide these doors open up. This is the perfect family SUV. For someone, they took this space away, so you can drop the child seats in there, and they all get the luxury. Now, once they get older, they actually get heated seats back here as well. We remember the film Star Wars, right? And then with these backs of the Nissan Rogues, you can actually just use the force to open everything up. Got the privacy guard in the back, got a cargo tray in this as well. You've got the protective materials here, so dogs jumping in and out, it's quick and easy. And you've got lots of space with this, guys. Again, my name is Phil from Nissan of Duncan. Best way to reach me, if you want to get some more information or experience your Nissan Rogue for the first time, is 250-896-9152. We'll see you soon.